Toyota Corolla, before blower fan not working, and now you can see here working. Great success. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Toyota Corolla. This car have a problem. AC blower fan not working. Okay, this is the problem. So in this video I will show you why this blower fan not working and what is the problem or how you can solve this problem. Okay, see, blower fan not working. So customer told me this is accident car, and then it happened like this, blower fan not working. So first of all we check here if voltage is there or not. Remove blower fan wire, check here with tester, fix with ground, and then check this wire. This is for voltage. When blower fan on, voltage is not there. That means somewhere fuse damage, I think. So now we check blower fan fuse. Here you can see fuse box. Six number or 7 number ECU ignition 2, 10 number fuse. This is for blower fan. Check now. Here you can see fuse box. This is for blower fan, this one. See, this fuse damage, so replace this fuse. With good one. Now check on blower fan, then check here. See, now it's perfect, current is there. Then fix it and check. See, blower fan working. Great success. Now off, now working. Thank you.